So this past August was Hair Loss Awareness Month, and I know this because I got so many questions about this topic on the channel. And in that month, there were all sorts of ads for devices and pills and serums and shampoos and you name it, it was out there. So if this was an important issue for you, it was probably overwhelming, which is why we're going to take a deep dive into the facts about hair loss products today on this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about hair loss products that have been proven to work. So I'm not going to go through this video and debunk a bunch of things. Instead of doing it that way, we're going to talk about the things that have been proven in studies and on individuals to actually help with this problem, including a state-of-the-art device that I'm going to talk to you guys about in the video. So be sure that you stay all the way through the video so you hear about that, because it is pretty exciting technology that I will be sharing with you. Now, if you're new to the channel and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert. I'm here to help you get skincare that will work for you. And today it's hair care. Not empty your wallet and not do you more harm than good. So if that's your thing and the kind of content you're looking for here on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe so that you know when my videos are out each week. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell or you won't know when my videos are out each week. Okay, so 1 in 5 people deal with hair loss, and that number gets closer together as people age. So usually 3 out of 5 people have hair loss issues when they hit their 60s, 70s, and onward. The most common of which is, of course, androgenic alopecia, which affects both men and women. That is male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness. That is hereditary. But there are certainly other causes for thinning hair, hair loss, and slow hair growth. Things like aging, as I said, nutritional issues, even medications, or the chemicals in hair care products. All of those things can cause shedding of hair, slow hair regrowth, and either temporary or permanent baldness. Now, most of the nutritional products that you find on the market don't have to be FDA proven or approved. That's where you see on the label that it's not designed to treat or prevent or cure any disease. You know, these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. That usually applies to supplemental herbs and vitamins. Medications such as finasteride or Propecia, minoxidil, and the light technologies that we're going to be talking about in today's video have all been through the FDA process, clinically proven to provide some hair growth. And I say some hair growth because even though they're FDA approved, if a device or a medication causes any kind of hair growth, even if it's just peach fuzz that wasn't there before, that qualifies as hair growth. True, not the hair growth most people are after, not that thicker looking, fuller head of hair, but nonetheless, hair that is regrowing that wasn't growing before does count. So let's talk about what really works and should give some visible, acceptable results. Again, first, the cause of the hair loss needs to be taken into account. Hair loss from androgenic alopecia is very easy to identify. It's hereditary, it forms a pattern, and it happens over time. It is not a sudden type of hair loss. Sudden shedding of hair, scalp irritations, those types of conditions should be looked at by a doctor or a dermatologist to determine what's going on so you get the correct treatment. Things like folliculitis, scalp acne, scalp dermatitis from chemicals in hair products. All of those things can be remedied pretty easily, and that hair should grow back. Now, I have videos already on the channel on how to deal at home with folliculitis and also scalp acne. So if that's an issue that you have, be sure and look those up on the channel and watch them and let me know what further help that you might need. Also, addressing hair loss by cause has led us to learn that certain nutritional deficiencies do make a difference, including the B vitamins and biotin often help a lot of people with nutritional deficiencies. We've also discovered that saw palmetto is a very potent herb that when taken internally can help block DHT, which is the chemical compound that comes from testosterone that attacks the hair follicle, causes it to weaken, shrink, and stop regrowing over time. Those DNA programmed hair follicles in both men and women are attacked by that DHT, which is why we have drugs like minoxidil and also finasteride, which is Propecia. those particular drugs work to help block that attack from the DHT, allowing those hair follicles to revitalize and regrow, which has led to the development of hair care product systems designed to block DHT and help regrow your hair. One that I recommend on the channel often has been Hair Restoration Laboratories, Professional Hair Restore Shampoo. They have a conditioner as well, and they have a minoxidil-based serum that has saw palmetto and caffeine, as well as castor oil and other hair improvement ingredients in these formulations. So taken together, these formulations absorb into the skin, help protect that hair follicle, and help it regrow. Hair Restoration Laboratories is one that I chose because it has a really good track record of people getting results from that. There are other brands out there, but as a shampoo system, this is one of my favorites. And most often when people ask me for hair care products, this is what I recommend. Now, I will link to these down below in the video description box so you can look them up and read all about them on your own when the video is over. Which leads me to the new FDA red light therapies or low light red light therapies for hair regrowth. Now, there are a lot of devices out there. My Facebook and Instagram are inundated with them, but one of them caught my eye and I was really interested in it. And it's the IRestore Professional Advanced Low-Level Light Therapy for hair regrowth in men and women. As you can see, it comes as a complete system along with this red light therapy helmet. They too include a shampoo and conditioner for hair follicle growth and revitalization that helps to cleanse that excess sebum, dead skin cells that all get down in the pore around a hair follicle. Yes, you have pores on your scalp that get clogged just like they do on other parts of your body. And these two items help remedy that. They also include an anti-hair loss serum right here with Redensil in it. Redensil has been proven to help restore, revitalize hair follicles, showing up to a 214% increase in hair in just 82 days. So this is a really exciting ingredient that you don't see in other hair care products. They've included it here to help boost the performance of the red light therapy. Now, I also like that IRestore is addressing the nutritional side as well as the red light therapy and DHT blocking side of things when it comes to regrowing hair. They do include some vitamin gummies that are vitamin C and E along with biotin, and a potent 3-in-1 hair growth formula with biotin and saw palmetto, which is going to help, again, push back on that DHT and protect the hair follicle at the root. Now, taken together, all of these things in the IRestore system should give you a very well-rounded approach to healthier hair, thicker hair, fuller hair, obviously, and regrowth of lost hair. And of course, this is designed for all stages of hair loss. So not just when you've just started to lose hair, but if you've lost a lot of hair, this particular device has been regrowing hair for people that haven't had any success any other way. So it doesn't matter whether you're male or female, this is a particular device that's going to work for you. So I'm excited to have this device tested out over the next several months for the channel. So if you're not subscribed, now would be a good time to do it if this is something that you're interested in, because I will be giving updates over the next several months on the success or no success, but I expect success of this product. Now, I hope today's video has given you some basic information on hair loss and things that you can do that will work to help improve that condition, and also a look at some of the new cutting edge technology that we have available to us today to try to help with this problem. If the video was helpful, you know what to do. Please give it a like and share it out. Also, let me know what things you've tried for hair loss that either worked for you or didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel and supporting it. You know how much I appreciate it. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.